Hello and welcome to today's review of the Manara Trading Tool by Iqonic. Links in the description below if you do want to get access to it. Now we're going to be having a look at some patterns that are incomplete and complete, just seeing what's actually happened previously. So rather than looking at the notification tab to see what's happening right now, we're just going to go back through some previous trades and investigate what actually happened. We've got the Euro New Zealand dollar. It's an M5 incomplete, and the C to D pattern, while it would have perhaps worked for a bar or two, it is sitting around break even. It hasn't really gone towards that target. Anyone that's in that one, just breaking even for the moment, not too exciting. We'll go down to a crab pattern. We'll see what that has given, and we can see that we've probably not got enough time frame to be looking at the history of these ones. So C to D, you'd be sitting in profit, but it wouldn't be all that exciting. It hasn't moved enough just yet. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. We've got some 15-minute ones here. We'll have a look at the New Zealand CAD Deep Crab. See what actually happened. Again, C to D, it's only done a couple of candles. It is in profit. So obviously when I say C to D, we're looking from this point. When we get the alert, a notification pops up here, and we'd be looking to sell towards that D pattern. Nothing's really come up, so I'm going to scroll down a little further so we can see what's actually happened for the day. So silver USD, let's see what happens with commodities. So it's gone down for a couple of hours. It's a H1 chart, so we've got two candles heading south, and the market's kind of turning around off this little level here, but obviously quite a long distance away to hit that D point. If it continues down that far, you'd be very happy. We'll have a look for some currency pairs. A lot of patterns in silver, so XAG. Now silver, that obviously relates to the chemical symbol on the periodic table for silver, and then obviously for the AU for gold as well. So a bit of a fun fact there. C to D on this one, so we've got a bat pattern on the pound Swiss franc, C to D, and it's been a number of candles, so it's a 30-minute candle, and we've had a really strong move. We didn't go all the way to that D point, but still a really strong trade. If you're sitting there watching it and you think, oh, it's going to maybe turn around, you could have definitely taken profit at any of the last, say, 3 candles, so hour and a half. We'll keep having a look at some other ones. AUD USD, it's a butterfly. M30, quite similar, so it didn't go quite as far on the C to D, but we did have one candle that pulled down quite nicely, and it's coming back up to break even now. So anybody that did move their stops to break even would probably be out. And anybody that's still in that trade is probably thinking, oh, I don't know if I want to continue holding that to then try and reach this D point. But it did go into the favor of the trader for a period of time. Have a look at the AUD USD butterfly on a 15-minute, very similar layout again. We've got the pound yen shark on an M5, C to D. Drifted around for quite some time, really went in the favor of the C to D pattern and had a really nice push up. Had you have gotten in sort of on this candle, you'd be around break even, but you would have had plenty of opportunity to perhaps exit that trade in a nice profit. So as you might be noticing, the C to D, if you're taking, say, a 50% of that movement of the target, and what these patterns are doing is basically they're saying that these are incomplete and they're waiting for the market to hit this D level before this trade information actually stacks up and goes ahead. So that's what that is. It's got your A, B, C, and then D. The market's got to hit this before it actually starts taking this particular trade, which is an entry short to target 1 or 2. And then you've got your stop loss up a little bit higher when I drag down there. Have a look at what's just opened up. We've got the US yen. We can see that by a little notification that came up. This is a complete pattern by the looks. It's a breakout short, and So there's a triangle here you can see, and we've touched the final part of that pattern and we're breaking out, and the target is down here. So what traders are expecting is that the market will continue to push outside of this triangle, pushing lower into this target. That's it from me today though. A bit of a quick review of a range of different trade setups from today, just over the last sort of few hours or so. Most of them seem to be heading in the right direction or sitting around break even, so no particular trades that looked like they were causing losses, which is a really good sign. So for any traders doing the prop firm challenges or you're trading your own account, whatever it is, this Manara tool, based on what we've seen today, would have produced some okay results. If you enjoyed this video or took something positive from it, please hit the like button below. It lets me know this is helping others. To see more great content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with the latest.